English dictation. Be ready for it. 10 second, 5 second, start. Paragraph. The parliamentary members information given to government during January and February was of particular satisfaction to the northern publishers. It is difficult to believe that the doctor had not remembered to call on the enthusiastic arbitrator when he was representing the Metropolitan University. In our surprise, we were influenced by a mere remark. This gentleman was told that the doctor cannot represent him. It was quite satisfactory that we were to be next. Paragraph. We shall probably do more advertisements next year. Several achievements have given their independent opinions on the defective building. The peculiar performer practiced his particular and characteristic performance in the southern building. The member of the insurance organization are altogether in the building and the doctor is in the chair. The university prospectus is a publication with particular characteristics and it is very unusual to have two prospectus with all subjects identical. Paragraph. Notwithstanding the information which the ministry has sent, we believe it is dangerous to publish this decision to the public. The influential English government representative exchanged his investment with the parliamentary executive organizer. All the members believe that their wishes had been represented. They are to be thanked for their remarkable special delivery. The passenger who had an appointment at the air ministry was a stranger, so he asked a messenger how to get to his objective. The capable and intelligent English performer performed his performance without any difficulty.